Hey everyone, I would like to thank the lovely Miss Denise over at This and That with Denise Jordan and the lovely Miss Shara C over at Home with Shara C for the open invite to participate in the Unfinished Object Challenge. My unfinished object is these two, I believe there used to be lamps, but my daughter found these in a dumpster one time and we brought them home and cleaned them up. We've had them for quite some time, and I have started at several times to do something with them, but I just pushed them back to a corner somewhere. And when I saw this invite, I decided to fish them out, and here they are. So I am going to transform these into uh, little pedestals with some Dollar Tree glassware on top, and then I'm just going to add, since it is the fall season, some little pumpkins and fall related items inside the little Dollar Tree jars. So here I am. I'm just going to take a few of my fall items, like these little acorns and some fall embellishments, and I'm just going to begin to fill up this little vase, and I'm going to add anything that I have on hand and just simply place it inside and fill it up as best I can. I'm going to use this little ear of corn and a few little small pumpkins, and I'm going to also add a few little pip berries, and I'm just simply going to take these off of my little flower picks. And all of these little items came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to simply just place these randomly inside my little vase, and I will be doing the same exact thing for my second pedestal. I'm simply just going to fill these until I'm happy with the way they look, and once I have that, I am going to finish them off by adding some lights. Now I'm just going to take my little LED light strand, and I'm going to just place it in my vase as far down as possible and just push it all the way in and around throughout the vase until I have all my little lights down inside. Now I'm simply going to take my glue gun and put glue all around the top of my pedestal so I can place my vase on top, and it should adhere pretty well and stay once the glue has dried. And I'll also just repeat this same exact step for my second pedestal. Now I'm just going to place the vase on top and make sure it's centered, and then I'm going to give it a good push down and just hold it securely for a second or two, and now you can kind of see what it's going to look like. I think it turned out really cute, and I debated on throwing these pedestals away at one time. I'm so glad I didn't, because I really like the way they turned out. Now I'm simply just going to take some old burlap ribbon and just make a simple bow, nothing fancy, just a simple little bow to tie around the bottom of the vase, and my project will be through.